Hello students, welcome to Vava classes. So let us learn about the differences between the properties of solid, liquid and gaseous states of matter. So for that, let us first learn about the shape. Shape कौन था है? Solid state रे shape fix रहबो. As we have learned, solid shape रे shape fix रहबो. Fix काहे की रहबो? Because see, एठे जमिति let us say this is an object, okay, this is a solid object, so solid object will always have a fixed shape. यार shape किसी change होनी, like this is only working, this is only working, but its shape is not changing, the shape is same. But in case of liquid, shape fixed था है कि no, जदि मु गोटे cylindrical ball आनिले तो cylindrical ball रे से तारो shape नहीं जिवो, जदि मु गोटे what can I say, cone type रो गोटे जदि container आनिली तो से container shape नहीं जिवो. So the shape of liquid is not fixed. It takes the shape of the container that it is in. The next thing is gas. Is there a fixed shape of gas? Is there? No, obviously not, because आमे जो air जो आमे का inhale करूचु, the air here is present in so much space, but the same air travels in between our arteries and vein with such ease. So that means there is no fixed shape of gas. The next thing is volume. What do we mean by volume? Volume is the 3D space that an object occupies. So what is the volume of solid? Solid का जो volume था, that will always remain fixed. Why? Because see, this is a pen. ये जो pen अच्छी, ये pen जो volume अच्छी, the space it occupies, the 3D space it occupies, it will always remain the same. Okay, it will not change. But so that's why it is fixed. But what about liquids? Liquids जदि तमे देखिलो, मु तुमको कहली जे सार shape fix न था. This will take the shape of any container that it is put in. But जदि 1 liter अच्छी, if the liquid is of 1 liter, the volume is 1 liter. So will it change by transferring it to another container? जदि एमती बड़ गोटे एमती cylindrical ball टे अच्छी, cylindrical ball रो मु ताकु नेकी गोटे cuboid गोटे टांकी टाइप रो गोटे पकेली. Will the volume change? Obviously not. The volume will remain same. So the volume is fixed in liquid. But is the volume fixed in the case of gases? No, because gases are highly compressible. So आमे तार जेते स्पेस से ऑक्युपाई करछि, एतिकी स्पेस रे मो हाथ जेते स्पेस देखौछि, एतिकी स्पेस भितर जेते एयर अछि ना ताको मो कंप्रेस करके एतिकी स्पेस रे भी आनी पकेबी. So that's why there is no fixed 3D space that it occupies. So the gas does not have a fixed volume. The next thing is interparticular forces. Interparticle forces means the force of attraction between each particle of solid, liquid and gases. Solid रो जो particles माने थाए, से माने समझते तारो shape केमती थाए. Solid, let us say this is a solid object, okay. Solid object रो मझिरे, what happens that the particles are very close to each other. As they are very close to each other, that means the interparticular force is very strong. In case of liquid, what happens? That the same will remain a little apart. So the interparticular force is moderate. Here it is very strong, here it is moderate. And what about in case of gases? In case of gases, what happens? It is very, the space between them is very large. So that's why the force of attraction between them is very weak. So interparticular force of solid, it is very strong. For liquid it is moderate, and for gases it is very weak. What about the spaces between their particles? Spaces between particles for solid. So इस structure रो हमें कौन जानिया को पाउचो that it is very less. मझिरे जो space अच्छी, space between the particles, गोटे particle आ गोटे particle मझिरे जो space अच्छी, that will be very less. In case of liquid, it will be in moderate amount. But in case of gases, they are very far apart. So the space between them is very large. Now moving on. Fluidity. Fluidity means the ability to flow. Fluidity means ability to flow. The ability to flow for solids is very less because they cannot flow. Very less means it is very negligible. Solids don't flow. What about liquids? Nadi re jo pani tha, that flows or not? Obviously it flows. So liquids will flow and the gases, they can also flow very easily. So that's it.